Jojo and Bingo. Let's learn with Jojo. Red, yellow, blue, green. Look, there is a new friend. Its name is Bingo. We all love Bingo. Bingo likes to play hide and seek. Where is Bingo? Aha! Bingo is here! Oh, Bingo seems to be hungry. Let's feed it. Huh? What sound is that? Oh, Bingo is hungry. It wants to have dog food. Bingo, wait. Let's open the package first. Yeah, well done. Pour the dog food in the bowl. Looks like Bingo wants to have something else to eat. Oh, Bingo wants to have canned food. Be patient, Bingo. Let me open the can for you. Please help. Wow, you are awesome. Put the canned food in the bowl. Thirsty. Please help open the bottle. Great job! Well done! Pour the water into the bowl. Bingo wants to go out and play. Let's play.
Oh?
Yeah. Wow, let's play in the park. Jojo is walking with Bingo. Bingo pooped. Oh no! Where is Bingo? Let's find Bingo together. Bingo is hiding. Let's find out where he is. Wow! A super cute... Huh? What's moving over there? A duckling! Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo! A big rooster! It's a squirrel! Bingo has been found! You are amazing! The naughty Bingo is hiding again. Let's find it. It's a squirrel! Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo! A big rooster! Wow! A super cute kitten! Bingo has been found! You are amazing! Bingo is having a great time. Love you! Bingo is dirty all over. Let's give Bingo a bath. La 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 la. Bingo is taking a bath. Please remove the leaves with tweezers. Throw the leaves in the waste bin. Oh no, Bingo's feet are so dirty. Please wash them clean. Whoosh! Aim at the bacteria and get rid of them. And wipe off the soil. Bingo's feet are so clean! Put on some shower gel and wash Bingo clean. Bingo looks like a ball in bubbles. So cute! Whoosh! It's time to rinse off the bubbles! Please put Bingo on the chair. Please help Bingo get dried soon. Otherwise, Bingo might catch a cold. Becomes good friends with everyone and fits into Jojo's big family.
Involving kids in pet care can develop their sense of responsibility.
Let's answer questions with Jojo.
What a wonderful day! Let's record it together, Jojo.
Yeah!
There is a new friend in Jojo's family. Who is it? Elephant! Puppy! Tiger! Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby. Jojo wants to choose a welcome present for Bingo. Guess which one Bingo would prefer? Canned food, microphone, blocks. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby. Jojo is having a great time with Bingo. Bingo is hungry. What will Jojo feed Bingo with? Lollipop, chocolate, dog food. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby.
Jojo feeds Bingo with dog food. Bingo is full.
Bingo wants to go out for fun now. What are we going to put on it? Jumping rope, dog leash, swing. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby.
Jojo puts a dog leash on Bingo, and they go out for a walk.
Bingo is dirty after the walk. What can Jojo do for Bingo? Get dressed, take a bath, put on a hat. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby.
Jojo gives Bingo a bath, and Bingo is clean again.
All done. See you tomorrow.
Let's sing with Jojo.
Bingo's barking now. Bingo's hungry. His tummy's rumbling. Baby, baby, help him. Bingo needs your help. Yum, 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 yum. Bingo ate it up. Oh, Bingo's taking a walk. Bingo's taking a walk. Bingo's pooping. Bingo's pooping. Oh, baby, baby, help him. Bingo needs your help. Swoosh, swoosh. Bingo ran away.
Bingo, bingo.
Where is he?
Bingo, bingo.
There he is. Oh, Bingo's dirty. Bingo's dirty now. Bingo's taking a bath. Bingo's taking a bath. Baby, baby, help him. Bingo needs your help. Pop, 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 pop. Bingo's clean now. We love Bingo. He makes us laugh. Bingo, bingo, bingo is amazing. We love Bingo. He makes us laugh. Bingo, bingo, bingo is amazing. Oh, Bingo's lovely. We love him so much.